This car is all set, all cleaned up, all detailed, all nicely all done. So right now we are changing the link rods at the back. AMG kit proper installed है, सब कुछ all done है. Exhaust tips का काम हो चुका है. LEDs भी installed हैं. Check out the shine on the car. कल wash हुई थी. Saudi people like the car. भाई मैंने सच्ची बताऊँ आई कैन नॉट स्टिल बिलीव इट कि ये टो के आई थी हमारे पास एंड नाउ लुक एट द चेंज इन द कार. पूरी की पूरी कार की शेप कंप्लीट सिनेरियो ही चेंज हो गया. एंड गाइस it's a great feeling to announce that this is our new workplace. So this is our new workplace. So just started working, not officially started working, not done any announcement. This is the first announcement I'm making online, and not much people know about it. It's only been 3 to 4 days, and we started working already here. This is our second car here, and I'll be showing you the first car. And this was originally Maruti's. To announce actually ये Maruti की वर्कशॉप थी पहले and they're just moving out and we are moving in. So this is our new place. We already started working here and we're already doing few cars. All the cars are being shifted here. All the cars we have out there are getting shifted here step by step. So yeah guys, and I'll show you what more we are doing, what all places we have. This all has to be cleaned up. Everything has to be all renewed. Everything has to be coming back in shape. So it's going to take a little time, but it's going to come back in shape. This is the workshop area. Here we'll be doing all the cars and everything, all the renting, painting and everything. And this is our first car which came up yesterday to us. This is all the way from Shernagar. And thank you for giving us a very good start. We've just moved in, and so what all we are doing on this car, I'll just describe and tell you people what all we are doing on the car. So pretty much we're doing so many things. This quarter panel was actually repaired earlier. इसको हम fix कर रहे हैं basically. This was also painted, but the paint quality was super bad. So we're painting these parts. These all spoiler, this part, plus the rear bumper has been removed, which is getting repaired. Front bumper is also removed. So this is all open right now. All the V-Lugs, all the side claddings, all the portions have been opened. We're doing a complete gloss black combination. The paint is completely dull right now. इसके ऊपर detailing करेंगे. Plus we'll be doing a coating on this as well. So we'll be taking care of these dry dents as well. ये wash होगी थी गाड़ी? Wash हुई थी गाड़ी? वॉश करानी थी यार इसको एक बार. And this is the front bumper. We've already started working on it. It needed some plastic welding. Some of the portions are cracked. And इस पे थोड़ा सा आप देख रहे हो थोड़ा सा काम हुआ है already bumpers पे. So we'll be taking care of all this as well. ये rear bumper है. This was painted by somebody earlier. So you can see if I zoom and show you, ये cracks आप देख रहे हैं, pin holes देख रहे हो आप paint के अंदर. This is not a proper work done after the car. Plus these are the grills, V-Lugs grills, and these are the side mirrors which I opened up. इसकी भी थोड़ी सी welding होनी थी, so we're kind of repairing everything on this car. Already started early in the morning. We started yesterday itself actually. The car came to us about what time? Came to us about so I think दोपहर को आ गई थी. सुबह आ गई थी 12 बजे अराउंड 12 बजे अराउंड. And we started the work at 2, and this is the complete progress. And this is one of the Thar grills we're painting. I'm actually planning a proper opening on 1st of September, but I'm not too sure should I do that, should I not do that, a proper grand or something. I'm not that kind of a person. I just feel like कि काम होना चाहिए, काम करना चाहिए. different people have a different perspective about everything. So let's see. Put up your thoughts यार, एक बार कमेंट करके बताओ क्या करना चाहिए. There's so much to renovate in here. There's so much to do in here. Let's see. सबसे पहले पंखे लगवाने हैं यार. I'm done sweating. I need a lot of fans. That's very important. बहुत ह्यूमिड है यहाँ पे एक्चुअली. इसी गैस चेक हो रही है. Anybody wants to get any AC service done or anything done can visit us. So this is the final look of the car. Beautiful, yeah. The car looks superbly beautiful. भाई कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कैसी लग रही है गाड़ी. आई थिंक जो कोई बंदा हमें फॉलो कर रहा है उसको पता होगा कि कैसे थी ये कार की कंडीशन. नाउ हाउ इट लुक्स. चेक आउट द ब्राइटनेस यार, बहुत बढ़िया ब्राइटनेस आ रही है. कार इज ऑल्सो ऑल सेट, ऑल रेडी, ऑल डन. इसमें M5 बॉडी किट लगाई है. प्लस वी हैव डन सो मेनी मॉड्स ऑन दिस विद एंड्रॉइड प्लेयर, विद XYZ, सो मेनी थिंग्स. फेंडर्स चेंज हुए हैं, बम्पर्स चेंज हुए हैं, फॉग लैम्प्स चेंज हुए हैं, फॉग लैम्प्स की LEDs चेंज हुए हैं, कैलिपर्स और हब्स पेंट हुए हैं, साइड मिरर्स पेंट हुए हैं. जस्ट अ लॉट.